Good morning, optimists. Today is Tuesday, October 8th, 2024. And I just took a look at the market just now, the ES anyway. And dude, it is like super sideways. I did trade some stocks this morning, but let's go ahead and check in on the news today. You guys are gonna eat some pumpkin bread with me because I'm hungry and I haven't had any breakfast. So, well, all right. So we already had exports, imports, Red Book. 7:10, we've got RCM, Economic Optimism Index, coming up. We've got the 42-day bill auction, Fed Bostic, coming up at 8:30 for the 42. Yeah, not a lot of big news stuff today. There's a couple Fed speeches. Tomorrow we got mortgage rates. Then we've got earnings. We've got 9 earnings, 55 dividends today. So I'm expecting kind of a somewhat of a sideways day. Maybe we'll get some momentum. I don't know. Start by measuring the size of these candles. Kind of tight range. We have resistance up here at 70. 69 really. I mean, I guess we hit 70. Looks like we could break through right here though. TTM on the 1 minute is at 0.4. I want to see this on the 10-second chart. Man, look how sideways and tight that is. That sort of tells me that we need to scalp today. Trade super tight. So I might only go for like 3 ticks today. Maybe 5 will work. Usually on days like this, I want to keep it like really tight range. 5 seems okay. Currently 50 is below 200 on the 10-second. Kind of choppy. Eight tick bounce there. One minute TTM is at negative 0.4 on a red dot. I kind of wish the dots would stay consistent regardless of the size of my chart. The 1 minute 50 moving average is still above 200. Pretty wide range there. TTM, or not TTM, the ES says up about $20, 0.4% on the day. Pretty choppy. This could pop about right here. I think we're looking at a 7 o'clock pop. Might pop a little bit earlier. Like, I mean, I guess we could have gone for that trade. It's only a 4 tick. I actually think 4 ticks makes the most sense. 3 seems too small. 5 seems too risky. So we have a cyan switch on a red dot. The breakthrough 70 is really what we need to see. And even then, our high is only at 74. We got these big up wicks. We do have a 5,200 moving average cross closing in on the 10 second. I'd like to see one pullback here. I guess we're not going to get it. Maybe we will, but that was the move right there. Try to take that move as it popped, but missed it. Yeah, this is going to be the push up.
Order filled. Order filled.
Took a 4 ticker. About 150-ish, 137 on the day. There's a new high up there at 174.75. Or maybe it was just the topping. Yeah, it was a new high by a single tick. So the reason why I wasn't heavy into this really had a lot to do with the red dots here on the TCM. I'd honestly prefer to see this sell back some. It did pull back pretty decently though. I'd like to see a 1 minute pullback. TTM or time at 6:55. It's about 4 minutes ish to 7 o'clock. We're getting some tests of these highs. TTM at 2.2 on a red dot. 10-second chart did get that 5,200 cross, and that was the move that we took. It was right there, right on that crossover point. Let's pull back to 71.50, which is a bounce right off the 9 EMA and right back up towards the high. And hovering here, so we did make a new high there at 76. There may be a big sell-off at 7 o'clock. Just because we're having this push like 5 minutes prior. So I'm a little sketched out about like a sell-off at 7. Finally got that green dot on the TTM 1 minute side. Let's see this on a 3 minute chart. Three minutes to 7 o'clock. Checking out the 5. Going to the 15. Okay, so we're actually on approach here for a 15-minute moving average crossover. So when this happens, if it happens, then I think the ES has room to break above 5,800 again. This might not happen today. It kind of looks like it could happen today, though, around like, I don't know, 9:30. Then we may see a big rush on the ES. want this back on a 3 minute. Jump back to the 1 minute. So they had a doji at the top with a 1 minute red hammer. And we get a pullback to about 72, 73. We're a minute and a half out from 7 o'clock. Just about 90 seconds. It's one. All right, 7 more candles to go till 7 o'clock. I'm leaning towards the side of a sell-off at 7. All right, 30 seconds. I don't want to go long or short. I'm leaning towards the sell-off side, though. $10 seconds. See what happens. Next candle is it. Big rip up. Surprising. Will it continue? 79. It did rip. Seeing some resistance at 81. I have 82. Feel like buy high, sell higher. We're outside of the band on the 10 second. Well, I was definitely wrong on the direction today. I feel like this might rip up to 85 now. Movement's a little weird. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that we'll get a sell-off to back down to like 80? Maybe like 78? Let me know what you guys think. Got an 8/9 cross. Here's 78. Or actually, that's 79.
Order filled. Order filled.
Just took a short there, made 4 ticks down. So up 275 on the day. Got a nice short off that. Exit was 78.75. Pretty much bottom ticked that. That's pretty good. So here we are at 703. Feels a little extended. TTM's at 8.1 on the 1 minute side. There's a flag there on the 1 minute. Our high is 82.50. We're about $40 away from the view app. Flag at the top. A little FOMO for not taking the buy-in at 7, but I was really sort of on the idea that it might sell off just because we were seeing the kind of the choppiness at the top. All in all, not a bad day so far. 2 trades, 275. This looks like this could pop again. This did pop pretty well off the 78 back up to 82. It's a good $4 move. It feels extended to me, but and we're kind of running a resistance pretty heavily at 82.50. There's a lot of sell orders right there on the 10 second. I frankly feel like I'd like to see a sell-off for a while and then see some consolidation. I mean, that actually feels like that would feel a lot safer. TTM on the 3 is at 4.2. Our high is still 82.75. TTM on the 1 is at 8.9. VWAP below the 200 moving average, and we're about $40 away from VWAP. Some sell-off there. Doji at the bottom. Kind of feel like I'm getting fatigued already. This looks more like a short to me than a long. I see a little pop right here off of 80. Bollinger Band is trending downward. TCM is trending sideways or downward. Could shift at any second to either side. .6 on TTM. TTM 10. Looks like we're gonna pop again.
Order
short
filled.
here for a drop down to like 78. Sat on my sell order and didn't sell.
Order
It
filled.
took a single tick off. Ah, now it goes. Tried to go short there and top step. Didn't happen. So needed to hold out a little bit longer. Up 300 on the day. Try to take that short again. So good short. I always hate how long short moves take. Like the rips, like the upside rips are like within a couple seconds. The shorts are like dance around, play with it for like 30, 40 seconds or something. Then they finally move. And then by that point, I'm just like, oh, well, I already cut my trade because it didn't move very fluidly. So let's pull back to 75, then pop back up to 78. I find that very annoying about shorts. Because they just don't move fluidly a lot of the time. They do that stupid dancing around thing. Drives me nuts. Morning, Tiny. All right. Good luck out there. I'm feeling fatigued, tired. So I think I'm probably going to cut it my own self, take my $300. I feel like I could stick around and trade. Like there's clearly moves. But I'm just feeling tired myself. So so I'm probably gonna call it. I might go back to bed for a little while. But all right, y'all. Much love and appreciation. We'll see you tomorrow. Up 300 on the day. Have a great day. Bye.